Do you know how to sneeze in French? First of all, the sound of sneezing in French is said as to be Atchoum. Now, if someone sneezes once, we say à tes souhaits. À tes souhaits. It literally translates to your wishes. May they become true, basically. May your wishes become true. If someone sneezes a second time, you're going to say à tes amours. À tes amours. The tradition is that you're supposed to answer to the person qu'il dure toujours. Qu'il dure toujours. Which means may they last forever. Now, if someone sneezes 3 times, I'm actually not sure what is the proper thing to say, but some people will say à ton médecin. Follow to improve your French